Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today I've come up with a very interesting problem of central forces. Guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together, and name of this problem is finding central forces. My current courses on Unacademy are course on INPHO Foundation and JEE Advanced 2023, and its second phase will start very soon, and advanced problem solving for JEE Advanced 2021, and its part 2 will also start in the coming week, and advanced GT for JEE Advanced 2021 special classes is going on, guys. These are the collection of some of the finest problems in physics, so make sure you are attending these papers. And advanced course for JEE 2022 in Hindi and English is starting from 20th and 23rd of April. You can access my last year's theory courses, which are of advanced plus levels for boosting your JEE preparation, and you can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nathan sir. And you can visit for more information www.unacademy.com. and guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. So here is a statement of this problem. A particle is moving along a circle of radius r. Particle is moving under the influence of a gravitational central force F, which is always pointing towards point O. Particle is projected from point P, which is directly opposite of O, with initial velocity of v0 as shown in the figure. If the expression of force F is given by F is equal to 32 m to the power x r to the power y v0 to the power z by r to the power k, then the value of x plus y plus z plus k will be, where x, y, z are integers. So guys, earlier I have given this problem in combat and my test series also, and I have used this with the minus sign because then you can solve this question in just 10-15 seconds using dimensional analysis. However, we are going to calculate the actual expression of this force in this problem. So concept wise, you can see mechanical energy of the system will be conserved, as all central forces are conservative in nature. You can see their curl will be 0, and angular momentum of particle must be conserved about point O. So wherever this force is pointing, about that point its angular momentum will be conserved. So let's use this logic here, and initially this velocity is speed is v0, and at any time t at general location of theta, this velocity is v. So here, if this angle is theta, this angle is also going to be theta, because this is r and this is r. Now this angle is going to be 90 minus theta, as this line will be tangent to the circle. This is velocity direction, so this angle is also theta. So I can apply mvr perpendicular. Initially it is mv0 2r, and at general theta it is mv cos theta r. So first equation we are going to get here is 2v0 r is equal to vr cos theta. Here this distance r, I can use this right angle triangle in the semicircle. So this small r I can write as 2r cos theta. This is another equation I'm going to use. Now this force F, one of its component is providing the necessary centripetal force required for performing the circular motion on this. So I can write this F cos theta is equal to mv square by r. Now let's eliminate the v first, because in our expression that general v is not coming, only v0 and r is coming. So we have to eliminate v0 v, and we have to eliminate theta also. So first let's eliminate this v. I'm going to substitute the value of v from here. When I substitute here, I'm going to get and just do the calculation for this part. I'm going to get F cos cube theta is equal to 4mv0 square capital R divided by R square. Now by using this equation, I can eliminate theta also from here. So cos theta is r by 2r. When I substitute this value here and simplify, you can see 2 to the power 3, that is 8 into 4, 32. So F is going to come as 32m r to the power 4 v0 square by r to the power 5. This is going to be the expression of this force, and if you compare it with this expression given in the problem, and then you are going to get x is equal to 1, y equal to 4, z equal to 2, and k equal to 5. So the value of x plus y plus z plus k is equal to 12. And in the earlier version of this problem, which I have used in Narayana test papers and in combat also, there was a minus k, so there this expression will become 2. This is going to be the final answer for this problem. I hope you have enjoyed this, and central forces are particularly important for JEE Advance, as you will be dealing with them in the chapter gravitation and electrostatics. So I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. I'll be coming up very soon with another amazing video. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.